Tuesday, week 4, since we were out yesterday. Make sure your name's up here. Now, in our first box here, this is a little bit confusing. And I think the more we do it, the easier it'll get. But what we're doing is we're checking to see if the subject and the verb agree. So we're going to do it this way for the first 3. I'm going to read the sentence. So like number 1. Either the collie or the Shetland sheepdog is good at herding sheep. The subject is either. So underline either for me, guys. And then the verb is the word is, right there at the end of the first line, is. Now, what we're looking for is to see if it's plural or if it's single. And either is single. So you would say either is. That is correct. So you're going to put a check by number 1. Now, that was probably confusing, but like I said, the more you do it, the easier it gets.
I was so confused because I went home the right day.
It's okay. Now, the next one says either, so underline either again. Either the St. Bernard or the German Shepherd are. Underline are.
Oh.
Now, are is for something that's more than one, that's plural. But we just said in number 1 that either is single because either needs a is, so number 2 is not right. Those do not agree, so put X on number 2.
Yep.
All right, now, number 3 is a little bit different. 3 says Jenny or Tamara. So underline all that, Jenny or Tamara.
That's a word.
Underline the word will, that's our verb, will. Train the dog for rescue missions. Now, let's do this by thinking about if this is single or plural. What if I said JP or Tristan is getting a piece of candy? Who all would get a piece of candy? Both of y'all or just one?
Both.
If I said JP or Tristan, how many people would get a piece of candy? One. That's got the word or, so it's a single. So you could look at it like this. Jenny will train the dog, or you could say Tamara will train the dog, and that is correct. So put a check. Number 3 is a check.
Check.
Now, this one will be easier for y'all. These are prefixes. Above the word prefix, where it says circle the prefix, right above that, I want you to write the word before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. B-E-F, it's right there. Now, the reason that you wrote the word before is because a prefix is a set of letters that come before a word, and it changes the meaning of the word. So, the first word is misbehave. So what do you think the prefix of this word is?
Before misbehave.
The prefix is miss. So what you're going to do is circle the miss. Circle M-I-S. And that changes the meaning of behave. Miss means wrong. So if it's misbehave, it means that you're going to behave how? What did I say miss meant?
Good.
Miss means wrong. So misbehave means you behave
Bad.
wrong. So put behave wrong. Behave is in the word. The only thing you need help with is wrong. Do you see it right there? Behave. So misread would mean that you read how?
What's that?
Hang on. Misread. What does miss mean?
Like.
What did we say it meant in the first one?
I don't know how to say it.
Wrong. So you read wrong. So we circle miss, and then we say we read wrong. That word is wrong, Tristan. W-R-O-N-G. O-N-G,
It says it doesn't have W.
The W is silent. All right, now, next one. Disable. Now, if miss was our prefix in these two, what's our prefix in disable? What do you think?
Able.
Able is the main word. What's our prefix in front of it? There you go. Dis. You got it. Dis is our prefix. Now, when you see the word dis, or those letters, dis means not. So, JP, if I said dis means not, what would disable mean? Not what?
Like together.
Not able. You see how I'm making it like really simple? Not able. So write down not able. When people get old, sometimes they become disabled. That means they're not able like to walk or to do things that they used to do. That's disabled.
What's the not able?
Not able. Able is right there. Disagree. What did you just say, Christian?
Not agree.
Not agree. So what's the prefix in disable? What's the prefix in disagree?
A dis.
Dis.
Agree.
And so it's not. Disagree is not agree. All right. Now our sentence. The sentence says, are Jack or Ryan going to the dog show on Tuesday? Now, we're going to correct these mistakes. So, first, Adalyn, what you got, baby? Capitalize the A. All right, Christian, what you got, bud?
Capitalize the T on Tuesday.
Tuesday needs to be capitalized. Big T on Tuesday. Zeph.
We need to change the first letter of Jack and Riley to a capital.
Capitalize Jack and capitalize Ryan. Now, listen to it and tell me what needs to be at the end. It says, listen to it. Are Jack or Ryan going to the dog show on Tuesday?
Question mark. Yes, I was about to say.
There you go. Question mark. Good job. Now, there's one other correction. Are goes with something that's plural. It says Jack or Ryan, which means it's single. We need to change that or to another word to make it plural. And. There you go, bud. Good job. And. There's all our corrections.
And.
That's right. Now, next box. This is write the past tense of the verbs. You begin today, but yesterday you began. So change that I to an A, and it would say began.
So we'll write the one here.
That's right. Put began, B-E-G-A-N. Today I bring snacks. Yesterday I
Is it A-N?
brought. Good.
Is it A-N?
Mm-hmm.
So B-R-O-N?
Brought is this. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Today I build. Yesterday I built. You got this, JP. That's really good. So instead of the D, you just make it a T.
What?
B-U-I-L-T. Built. That's the past tense.
I-L. Choose.
Today I choose chicken. Yesterday I chose. So instead of two O's, you have one O. C-H-O-S-E. It's just put a T instead of a D. Chose. Last box. What changes needed, if any? Lucas is going to feed the dog, and Nora is going to walk him. There does need to be a change. It's either going to be B or C. Where does the comma go? Lucas is going to feed the dog, and Nora is going to walk him. Does it go after dog or after and?
Dog.
After dog. Listen to where we paused it. Lucas is going to feed the dog, and Nora, did you hear the pause? So it goes where the pause is. So it's B, after dog. And that's it.